Hi everyone. So it's been a while, obviously because the winter, and the time has come. I have just received a couple of new parts that I want to install today, and here we are. So this is the new air filter by a company named DNA from Greece. It came I think 2 days ago, 3 days ago, something like that. I oiled it, and it's just like soaking in. At least that is what I hope it's doing. I also got these. Those are the covers. I mean, I might be a hypocrite, but it these became like cheaper. It's still absurdly expensive to pay like 20 euros for a piece of plastic that's worth like 5, but this is how it is. So it's the other one. Okay, of course. So it will be something like that. The cable that you see in here, it goes through here until here, and I got the plug that goes directly to the plug with the safety. Should be easy. Should be fairly easy to install. So I just need to put that battery back in, and that basically is it. So that's my plan for the next hour, and the bike looks good as always. Okay, so let's start with putting back this battery and connecting this cable to the charger and to the cable already connected to the battery. Okay, and now the end result. So here's my new battery and that additional space that I have with it. I snagged those cables, the part that, I mean, the cable is much longer than I needed it to be, and I will tape this connector somewhere behind just to protect it, although it seems fairly solid like that. It shouldn't fall, but I will maybe zip tie it just in case. And yeah, so the ignition is on and the charger is right in here. Here's the power, and it works, and it's super convenient to have it. I glued it on the double side table tape, and it's also squeezed underneath our cable, so it's also being held by the cable underneath. And I don't have any USB cables to test it, but it looks like it works. Okay, so I have the cables done, I have the protectors done. I don't know, I'm not super excited about it. I mean, for the price, I would expect it to fit a little bit better. I don't know, it's very cheapy. It's very cheap. Who knows? I don't know. But still, I'm not convinced. From the distance, it looks fine, but if you touch it, it's like empty. I will think about putting also double side tape underneath, just to make it, I don't know, a bit sturdier. I don't know. Anyway, the next step is the air filter. Okay, here's the old one. This is how my old air filter looks like, and it's terrible, absolutely disgusting. Just fingers crossed the one that I have fits. Okay, air filter installed. For a second I worried that it doesn't fit, but it required some pressure and it fits. It looks like it's tight everywhere until the end of it. Nothing's loose, so that's good. I will, since I have it open, I will just clean it just a little bit in there, but I think we can start the bike and see. I mean, this will be the first time in at least 2 months